Alright guys, so this is the next step after registration. So make sure that your accounts or your deposits are already credited in there, and right after the deposit you will just need to wait for 24 hours and you'll see your daily earnings. Okay, again, you don't have to do anything after you deposit your funds. You just need to wait for 24 hours and you will claim your rewards after 24 hours. So go on to income. Okay, so in this section you will see your reward. So all you have to do is to click on receive button. There you go, and then this will be added onto your withdrawal wallet balance. So guys, again, don't forget to claim your rewards every after 24 hours, because if you miss to collect that, your reward will disappear and then you'll need to wait for the next day for your income again. Right? So after that, after you receive your earnings, you can now go to mine. Okay, and there's the withdrawal button, so click on that and you will see I have 274.32 withdrawable balance. All right, so you can also see the status here. Allow withdrawal, yes, it means you haven't withdrawn your today's earnings. So we are allowed to withdraw once a day. So let's now withdraw this earnings. Before that, let me open my Trust wallet to see how much balance we have in there. Okay, so I have 263 TRX balance right now. All right, so now let's proceed on to withdrawals. So click on choose withdrawal account, select digital currency wallet, and then type the amount. So only whole numbers, guys. So 274. There you go. And then the password. So on your first time of withdrawals, you need to set your withdrawal password. Okay. All right, so withdrawal successful now. And then let's go on to Trust wallet really quickly. So let's refresh this, guys. Look at this. There you go. So it's really instant withdrawals, guys. And yeah, Tron2019 is really a wonderful project or source of Tron to generate a lot of Tron daily. Okay, remember it's 10% daily, and you only need 1 Tron to start. But I will recommend you, if you put the higher amount, of course you will earn higher profit daily. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how you earn. And again, don't forget to receive your rewards daily, and your rewards will start to reflect on your dashboard after 24 hours of your registration. Okay, so this is my 3rd withdrawals and everything is instant. So that's it, guys. Again, please subscribe to my channel, stay in touch, and I'll see you all. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye bye.